We are installing the NVIDIA Quadro RTX 4000 graphics card, which requires power in addition to the power provided by the motherboard slot. Remove the blank cover on the back of the case that corresponds to the slot you will be installing the graphics card in. Make sure the retaining clip on the slot is pushed back. Then firmly press in the card until that retaining clip makes an audible click. If you ever need to remove the card, you're going to have to push that clip down. Screw in the card's bracket to the case. Then connect the PSU power cable to the card. It can only be inserted in one direction, and there is a retaining clip that will click when properly connected. That's it, your card is installed. In the next video, we will install the all-in-one CPU cooler.